Bluey woke up to the loudest noise she had ever heard. Bingo! Did you hear that? She yelled, ears buzzing with excitement. Bingo jumped off the bed, slipped on the rug, but landed perfectly like a tiny acrobat. It's coming from the backyard. Bingo whispered, eyes wide with mischief. Bluey ran to the window and saw something shiny under the big tree, something new and strange. Is it treasure? Bluey gasped, grabbing her explorer hat. Mom and Dad peeked outside, curious and worried about Bluey's crazy plan. A shadow darted across the lawn, fast and mysterious, making Bluey's heart leap into her throat. Wait! Did you see that? It's moving, she yelled, dragging Bingo closer, paws crunching like drums. Suddenly a tiny door appeared at the base of the tree, glowing and trembling like it was alive. Who lives there? Bingo whispered, hiding behind Bluey's tail. Bluey knocked gently. The door creaked open to reveal tiny talking forest mice. Hello, squeaked the tiniest mouse, wearing a sparkling crown. Bluey and Bingo gasped, eyes huge with amazement. We need your help, the Mouse Queen said, voice trembling with desperation. A giant shadow steals our cheese every night and we can't stop it. Bluey nodded to Bingo. This was the adventure they had waited for their whole life. A dark figure loomed behind the tree, eyes glowing like fiery gems. Bluey grabbed a stick, Bingo held a leaf like a shield, hearts pounding for the magical cheese. The shadow moved faster than they imagined, thrill shooting down Bluey's spine. Hold on, Bingo. We can do this, she shouted, hopping over a root with precision. The shadow tripped over a stone, leaves flying like tiny spirals. Bluey and Bingo skidded to a stop, panting, eyes wide with relief. Suddenly a flock of birds swooped down, startling the shadow into tumbling across the lawn like a crazy acrobat. Bluey jumped high and landed right in front of it, stick raised with determination. The shadow froze, revealing not a monster, but Dad wearing Mom's hat, giggling so hard he almost toppled over. Bluey laughed until she cried, Bingo joined, rolling in the grass with joy. The mice cheered, hopping and clapping tiny paws in excitement. Next time, adventure is everywhere if you just look closely, Bluey said, tail wagging with pride. Bingo nodded, eyes sparkling, ready for the next surprise. And you? Don't just watch, grab a friend, run outside, laugh loud, and find your own magical moment. Thank you for joining Bluey's wild, thrilling day of fun.